Peace be upon you. Today we will talking about sine rule. First of all, I will write the rule for the sine rule, and after that we will solve lots of questions related to this topic or this idea. For a non-right angled triangle, we have a rule called sine rule. Then the sine rule will be like that, which is sine the angle A over the opposite side, which is A, equals sine angle B over the opposite side B, equals sine angle C over the opposite side C. Then here, if we have this triangle, which is A, B, C, this triangle, which is A, B, C, and the opposite side will be C and B and A. I'm sorry about that. This side will be A and this side will be B. We can use this law, this rule, and we can write the same rule with different form, which is A over sine angle A equals B over sine angle B equals C over sine angle C. Then for the first question, we need to determine the value of x. Then simply we will use the rule, which is A over the opposite sine, the opposite angle, which is 45, then A over sine 45 equals 9 over sine 85. And after that, A equals sine 45 times 9 over sine 85. And we will use our calculator, and it will be so easy, inshallah. Sine 45 times 9 over sine 85. It will be 6.4. Then 6.4. Sine 45 times 9, 6.4 divided by sine 85 will be 6.4. centimeter. And about question B, we will do the same, which is x over the opposite angle, which is sine 78, equals 3.4 over the opposite, which is sine 30. And now x equals sine 78 times 3.4 over sine 30. Then sine 78 times 3.4 divided by sine 30 will be 6.7. 6.7 to the nearest one decimal point, then 6.7, and this one will be centimeter also. The last question here, the last question will be like that. Here we have the last question, which is x over sine 115 equals 25 over the opposite angle, which is sine 22, the sign for the opposite angle. And after that, x equals sine 115 times 25 over sine 22, which is equal what? Let me calculate this one. Sine 115 times 25 divided by sine 22, it will be 60.5, which is 60 millimeter, 60.5 millimeter. These examples related to missing sides. These examples related to missing sides. What about missing angles? What about these, which is missing angles? The same. We will use the same, or we will use same rules. And they are really so easy. Then let's figure it out. We will write the rule here, which is sine angle A over A equals sine angle B over B equals sine angle C over C. This is our rule. And we will solve the first one to find out the size of theta for each of these triangles. Then we will write it like that, which is sine theta over what? Over the opposite side, which is over 5, equals sine 75 over the opposite side, which is 8. Then sine theta equals 5 times sine 78 over sine 75, over 8. And after that, using my calculator, then 5 times sine 75 divided by 8 equals 0.6. But this value is related to sine theta, not the theta itself. Then this value equals 0.6. Using my calculator, I find the angle theta, which is equal the inverse sine of 0.6. Then here theta equals what? Theta in this case will equals 37 degree. This angle equals 37 degree. Okay. How about question B? Now we will move on to question B. Same steps, which is we will use the same rule, which is sine an angle A over A equals sine angle B over B equals sine angle C over C. Then we need to find sine theta. Over what? Over the opposite side, which is over 16 equals sine 80 degree, or sine 80 over 35. Same steps. Then it will be sine theta equals 16 times sine 80 over 35 equals what? On my calculator, same steps, 16 by sine 80 divided by 35 equals 0.45. And focus, this is not the value for our angle. To find out the value for our angle, it will be like theta equals the inverse sine of 0.45. Then theta equals, using my calculator, the same thing. It will be 27 degree. Or same like 26.7, but it will be 27 degree. Here it will be 27 degree. Last question, which is question C. Same thing, like sine theta over 30 equals 40 over sine 120. Yeah, it will be sine 120 over the opposite side, which is 40. And after that, sine theta equals 30 times sine 120 over 40 equals what? Using my calculator, the same thing, which is 30 times sine 120 divided by 40 equals 0.65. 0.65. Okay, to find theta, it will be like that. Theta equal the inverse sine of 0.65, which is what? Which is 40.5 degree. We can write it like that, like 40.5 degree to three significant figure. If we need to put it in three significant figure, then we can write it like that, in three significant figure. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and leave your comments to explain more math topics. Thanks.